Sharpen any knife using a lighter. First, try cutting something simple. If the knife doesn't work, don't worry. Here's the solution. Grab a lighter. Now, place the knife against the friction wheel and gently slide it across both sides, just like I'm showing you here. Repeat the process several times, alternating between each side of the knife's edge. Now it's time to test it. Take whatever you tried cutting earlier. With this trick, you'll see that the knife cuts as if it were brand new. Many people face the problem of dealing with dull knives. This can make simple kitchen tasks frustrating, slow, and even dangerous. A dull knife increases the risk of accidents since you need to use more force and the knife can easily slip. With this trick, that problem is a thing of the past. Using the friction wheel of a lighter is a practical, quick, and accessible solution for everyone.